Alright guys, this is part 4 of the video assembling the inverters, and with the wiring on them. It's already have the box right there, so I'm just gonna take the wire out of the box and rewire it. So this box is gonna be outside. It's a GFCI. So the output here is a 15 amp and the input is 20 amp. Okay, the inputs for you to charge the batteries, hook up to the grid and replenish your battery on a bad weather, or maybe your batteries are low. So that's the same thing here. 15 amp and 20 amps are identical, but this one has a GFCI already in here, and this one you can use for hot wire. You can able to hot wire them as well. That's why they are here, but I don't have the cover for this. So this one came originally with that, and this one came with the standard. You can able to hot wire that into your breaker box. So this is what we're doing right now. And what I've done, I have these rubber bushings, and I use them. You guys have seen it on my install, and I already have them all set up in pairs. So what I've done, you see, I mounted, or I lifted the inverters so that they can have clearance approximately an inch and a half. Let me grab the tape so I can show you. This is what you have to do on every install. Make sure you have clearance when you install your machine. So let's look at here. It's almost approximately a inch and 3/4. See that? So look at the clearance from here, the bottom. So that's, I put the tape right there. So look at here, an inch and a half down here. So I elevated the inverters, so you can see now. You can see all the bottom, they're all lifted because the fans, and you see the transformers here, so they're gonna be splitting the air out on this side. Oh yeah. So these are 2015. You can see they already took the notch right there. So 14 is as the first quarter of 2015, and here you can see this is the first quarter of 2018. So this is fairly newer than this one here. So approximately 3 years different. So guys, this is what I want to show you, and they're already mounted. You see double bushings, and make sure you get the bushings or you get something to elevate the system or the inverters so that they can have more air to breathe, because the transformer is underneath, and they tend to be really hot. And because see, that's the bottom part of it. It's a heavy metal. So guys, this is the specifications here. You can see, you can read it for yourself. So 1000 volt amps, or at 25C ambient. So the input current is gonna be 133 amp DC. It's recommended. And look at that, 12.6. It's supposed to tell you this is the charge in here. The charger. So 50 amp AC at 12.6. As you keep charging, then the amps are falling. So AC input voltage is 120 and 60 hertz, and the charger is a 20 amps. Remember, I show you the amp, the breaker out there, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So okay, I don't see the other parts here. Maybe my eyes are probably just twitching to show you the max DC input. So I can put 16 volt on each of these. They can handle that. I've done it before. Watch my videos and you will see exactly what I'm talking about live here at JW Solar USA. Alright, you guys, I have 3 of these inverters. 3 of them. So the MMS is 1012. These are pure sine wave inverters. And I think the other one is G. Yep, this is G. The model G. 1012-G. If you want to go through the specs. And the power factor is 0.95. Okay. So you cannot parallel this. So if you're about to ask that question, I just answered that. So revision B and revision E1. So you cannot parallel this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add the bolt or the screws here to attach it, and I'm just gonna slide it on the rack. Here is the rack. So this is how we're gonna do. We're just gonna slide this thing right here, and I'm gonna be pre-drilling the holes where the AC wires are going, but I want everything back here. Okay, I want everything back there. The AC out or the AC in to charge the batteries, and you're gonna go back onto this side here on the corner so I can put a box right there. So guys, this is what it is, and we are working on completing the one hole thing. I can able to go back here and can put a box right on the back, the GFCI, or I can able to put it on the side here, and everything's gonna turn up pretty good. So hold on to this and stay tuned while we're trying to complete this one whole business. That's why I'm taking you step by step into this process. If you want to do yourself, because this is a DIY do yourself portable generator, and that's what I'm doing right now. And you can see I'm started punching the first screws on that thing, bushings. Like and subscribe. Alright guys, I went to the store and get this Tex, the original, best result, start to finish. So it's 50 of them, and it's number 12 diameter. Is 2 inches. Drill, tap, and fasten. It has a weather tighten seal. I think it's called weather tight seal. Yeah, right here. See, like a washer, like rubber plastic. So we're gonna utilize that on the mount. Already started. Alright guys, so let's go about it. And I'm gonna stick it right here. So using this drill bit, my Bosch, and just go. So it's already in. So we have 3 more to go. Right. You have this one on the other side here. All right, we're gonna have another one here. and another one here. Okay, let's check how far we went. And another one down here. All right. Well done. Get it all attached. So these guys are here, and that's why I was telling you guys the bushings, they help. It's just like a damper or shock absorber, and they doing a good job by having them there to eliminate vibration and all the good stuff. So I'm just checking that they're all even, and we are good to go. It's all done. So we attached them on the board. Now we're going to be sliding them in to the, look at that. Going to be sliding back to the board right there. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Alright, so guys, I'm bringing now the inverters. So I'm trying to stick them in here. Okay, grab this guy and go right here and slide it in. I want to make sure that it's not being affected by any of these. Look at that, simple, right? It's just like sliding everything in, and we're gonna put back this cover on our next video. Stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. JW Solar USA. Everything just ride in smoothly, and we got it done. Look at that, all the bushings and everything. Think I tightened this one too much, or maybe this one needs to go down a little bit. This one here, that one sits pretty well, so drop it a little bit, put more torque on it, and it's gonna be okay. So this will complete our mounting of the inverters. I can see some of that bump, and let's take a look underneath if we're gonna see. So this stick up a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, seems like the one over there has to be down a little bit so it can stick out. So yep, it's all done. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate sticking around for this project, and make sure you like and subscribe on this project. JW Solar USA. It's a whole bunch of wires hanging now, but that's the end of the day, and we're gonna keep it this one till video number 5. All right, so they are in there, the batteries are down here, so we're gonna make this. Next time I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna rewire the system by connecting the wires, the DC wires, okay, And the AC wires already removed this one. I have to make sure I don't have to lose this, and it's gonna go on the back here. That's all the AC power is gonna be routed to. There's gonna be an outlet there to get all the stuff working pretty good. And the next video is gonna be introducing the meters, the USB chargers, and all the awesome good stuff. Okay, from Minnesota, JW Solar USA, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. So, like and subscribe. We're gonna go like this now and lock it up. Okay. All right, everything's ready. Lock this thing. It's done. Put a top cover. And sorry, hit the camera. There you go. It's all covered up. And put the lock right here. And this door is fastened that time, and nothing happens. Like and subscribe, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Stay tuned for the next video. That will be part 5.